That's a good way to start a video. Look at that truck. Nice. So, today I'm just going to the beach. I'm not actually going to the beach. I'm cruising by it. It's cold again. It's 44. Weather Channel says feels like 40. Am I actually recording? Yes, I am. Okay, thank God. But I'm just going to cruise by it. Might not edit that much, so you're going to probably hear a few weird noises, probably some sniffing from trying to clear my nose out, because again, it's cold out. It's another instance of I can't feel my hands, but I have enough muscle memory in them that I know they're gonna do what I need them to do anyway, so I'm not concerned. This road, however, this section does suck, always sucks, so kind of gotta find the potholes, see where the new ones are, see which ones stayed filled over winter. I haven't been out here since I want to say mid 2022, maybe later. No, it was later. It was like October. No, it was November, because it was the last 70-degree day for like, it hasn't even been 70 yet again actually, so at least 5 months now. And I just took one of my friends out here so we could like walk around, talk, just kind of vent a little bit, you know, hang out, that kind of thing. And before you ask, it is a her. I took her out here on this bike. It wasn't a him. She almost fell out the back too, because I went through a yellow and she wasn't holding on the greatest. That was interesting. Got smacked pretty hard for that one, but at the same point, hold on when you're riding with me, because you know I'd be doing some shit. I think this is the, that's not the road. It's the next one up here. It looks like a little alleyway, but there's actually a road here. Alright, visor up again. You're gonna hear a lot of visor up, visor down. Mainly because it's cold, and like slow, when I go slow, my helmet just fogs up like a motherfucker. But when I go fast, it gets cold. Oof, that echo though. Oh, I think one of my nuts just went back in my pelvis. Get out! Whoa, there's actually people on this road for once. That's interesting. There's like almost never people out this way. Like, I think every time I've come through here, they're either just exiting out of this road, like up here. Well, I choked for a second, don't have gas. Again, cold hands, my bad. Not gonna be crazy. We've already passed 2 or 3 cops, so I'm sure they're out in force out here. And I don't really want to get a ticket. You know, I'm not even sure if the beach is open. There's normally a gate across it in the off months. And when there isn't a gate across it, there might be a big drift of sand I don't really want to mess with. So if that's the case, I'm just gonna turn around and go look at something else. I don't know. Oh my God, so much patchwork in this section. Come on, Michigan. You take all of our tax dollars and then do nothing with it for what y'all said you're gonna do with it. It appears that the that way is open. Now when I say sand, I don't mean like, oh no, a little bit blew over. I mean like literal, like, I took the Harley through it once because I was committed. I want to say it was a good 20 feet of sand, literally all the way across the pavement, and it was deep. Like, when I say deep, I mean deep. Like, enough to actively get up over into my rims deep. Like, not deep enough to burn the tire down so it stands up on its own deep, but it was, I almost slid out twice kind of deep. So a good thing I was kind of walking it through, you know, sitting on it, walking it through, giving it enough throttle gas play to actually make it without crashing, but fuck, I'm sorry, let's get it cut out. See, now imagine this, but all the way across. I'm going around this. Hello, van. So much sand. I know this is like, oh, learn how to ride your bike kind of thing, but man, fucking sand, dude. Fuck the sand, dude. I don't really plan on going down today, so I'm gonna try and avoid it as best I can. Unless it's unavoidable, like when that car is coming. Import guys looked, I had to do it. Alright, so see like the depth right there? That's how deep it was across when I took the Harley through it. So obviously, you know, it was sketchy, which is why I went around those big pieces back there, because I don't know how deep they are. I know there's tire tracks through it, but those are cars. They don't got to worry about and hitting the ground, you know? Yeah, right here, from like right here to that marker right there was nothing but sand, and it was deep, like curb level. Oh, just like that. That's actually where it was last time too. So, do I trust it? Any cars behind me? No, I'm turning around. Fuck that. Fuck all of that. Oh, I don't have grip either. Ooh, my shoes are grippy enough. Yeah, fuck that shit. I'm going back this way, man. I'm going home. Psych, I'm gonna go around the other way. If it's not grass clippings, it's fucking sand, man. Or it's heavy wind, because, you know, heavy wind will blow us over too. Man, bikes are so fun, but they're so damn easy to crash. Even though they want to stay upright, like that's naturally how they be. You know, they're easy to crash. What the hell? Don't worry, I know the go around. I'll just have to go back the way I came through. Not a big deal. But yeah, when I went to turn around and I said I didn't have enough grip on my shoes, my foot slid out. I know that when they actually start getting more tourists around, they'll clean it up. That's how it normally goes. Oh, you know, they don't care about the locals that want to go enjoy themselves. You know, it's all about the tourism. Man, I love this city so much. I know I wear it on my patch that I have for the club and shit, but man, sometimes I think about moving. Like, just be like, hey guys, I gotta go. I'm leaving. I'm going for somewhere else. Somewhere that'll actually give a shit about the people that live there instead of money, you know? My parents actually are talking about moving south for my mom's work, so maybe I'll be able to like go with them. They offered me a spot if they get down there and, you know, go somewhere new and have a house and stuff. So maybe maybe I'll be moving south soon, and then year-round riding, right? Even though I'll literally lose the entire club I'm a part of, all my friends for the most part. I know I'll make more friends, but I like the friends I have. My family stays up here, so I don't have my family no more. Not that they do stuff with me anyway, but, you know, it's nice to have them as an option to go do stuff with on the off chance they do hit me up. Because unfortunately, I'm the kind of person that doesn't like hitting people up because I feel like they're always busy or they get annoyed by me quick. Oh my gosh, what's going on? My body is like not cooperating right now. You ever look at boat names and wonder how the hell people do that and take themselves seriously when they're out on it? Yeah, let me take out, I don't even know what the hell that name is, but there's a guy that talks shit about my piercings, and his he had the name of his boat charger on his hat, and it was balls deep, and it's like, I'm sorry, you said what? You're gonna give me shit for piercings, but the charter boat you have is literally called Balls Deep, my brother. What? So, depending on how this looks over here, I might not go this way either. I might just turn around again, and you're gonna just get like me trying to go to the beach, because I'm not gonna risk dropping my bike to show y'all another like 3 miles of road and turn around and come back and risk dropping my bike again. It's supposed to be really nice tomorrow though, so I'll probably go out and record tomorrow too. It's supposed to be like almost 60, which is gonna be nice. Then the one day it's 68, it's supposed to fucking thunderstorm. God damn. Not happy about that. Alright, let's hope for the best. Let's hope for the best. No, they're building shit out there. Cool. I don't know what that actually could be like a little. See, this is what I mean. Oh no, or not. Maybe. No, no, man. Something about this looks sketchy. Right? See that? That's deep as fuck. I'm not gonna deal with that when I come back. I'm just gonna go in the other lane. Fuck that shit. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm going back. I'm turning around, throwing the towel in. Sorry, boys, because like I'm going to go through that and this and all this other bullshit, and all that ain't worth my bike, you know. So I'm gonna grandpa my way through here, piss off this Jeep behind me, guaranteed. And then I'm waiting for any traffic. I don't see any cars. Yeah, so that was the beach. Didn't know it was gonna be on the road. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. So I'm gonna start running towards my house because it is cold out and I can't feel my fingers anymore, and that's not good. I kind of want to be able to like do things when I get there, or tomorrow, you know, home, whatever. Today my brain don't work because it's cold out. Do the usual stuff that you do on YouTube videos you like, I guess, or comment that it sucked. I don't know. Have a good one, guys. Sorry you couldn't see the beach today. Later in the year you will. I'll make another video about it. There will be a follow-up to this in like probably a few months or something. I don't know. See ya.